Hello friends, this video describes the third part of research methodology lecture series. That is how to write research paper. If you like the video, please do share it and subscribe the channel. Enjoy each and every moment of life. Technical writing. Rules in technical writing. Always write in third person. Do not use I, we, you, us, they, etc. Make appropriate use of the tense. Present, past, future. Make appropriate use of articles. A/an, to be used when writing about generic. The, to be used when writing about specific. Keep the sentence short. Divide a write-up on a page into multiple paragraphs. Make sure that there is a flow in the write-up. Sentence 2 should connect with sentence 1. Paragraph 2 should connect with paragraph 1. And so on. Use appropriate technical language. Why write a report? Research work remains incomplete till report is written and presented and/or published. Research findings are of little value unless they are effectively communicated. Writing of report is the last step in a research study and requires a set of skills somewhat different from those called for in respect of the earlier stages of research. Report writing must be accomplished by the researcher with utmost care. He may seek the assistance and guidance of experts for the purpose. Not everyone is a born writer. For personal reasons. Guard against forgetfulness. Keep track of what has been done. Forms. Note. Diary. Journal. Working paper. For the technical family. For associates and colleagues. For successors. Students. Members of the team. Form. Journal, working paper. For others to follow. Extended technical family. Collaborators. Funding agencies. Regulating agencies. Evaluators. Form. Technical report. Thesis. For asserting credit. Credit from peers, and from the extended community. Form. Paper in a journal/conference. Book/chapter in a book. Upload on a website, e.g. ar14.org. Release to the press. For discussion and seminar. In a formal setting. For immediate consumption and discussion. Form. Displays. Posters. Slides. Types of reports. Technical report. Paper. Journal. Conference. Slide sets, PowerPoint presentation. Technical report. Very detailed. Usually contains all details. Usually no restriction on size. Distributed and archived, locally. Format, locally decided. By host institute. Agency to which report is to be submitted. Layout of technical report. A technical report should contain preliminary pages. Title page, acknowledgement, table of content, list of tables and figures, nomenclature, abbreviation, abstract. Main body. Introduction, literature review, background, design and methodology, results and analysis, discussions and recommendations, summary/conclusion, future scope. End body. References/bibliography, appendix. Sample table of content. List of tables, list of figures. Each table and figure should be provided a detailed heading. Table headings should be labeled as Table 1.1, Table 1.2, and so on if they appear in Chapter 1. Table headings should be center-aligned and on top of the table. Figure headings should be labeled as Figure 1.1, Figure 1.2, or Fig 1.1, Fig 1.2, and so on if they appear in Chapter 1. Figure headings should be center aligned and on bottom of the figure. In the main body, table, and /figure label should be mentioned exactly similar to how it is mentioned in table and /figure heading. For e.g., as shown in figure 1.1 / as listed in table 1.1. Sample list of tables, list of figures. Listing figures and tables in main body. This is the way to add figures and tables in main body. Nomenclature. All symbols, and acronyms, used are listed in alphabetical order, and case order. Structured. English letters. Greek letters. Subscripts. Superscripts. Acronyms. Each and every symbol and acronym should be listed. Nomenclature reduces the clutter and length of the report. Sample nomenclature. The abstract. The abstract is small, not exceeding a page, even shorter, max 500 words. The abstract normally includes motivation for the work, main objectives, methodology used, major findings / conclusions, arrangement. The introduction chapter normally includes motivation, why, applications, expectations, scope of the work, aim and objectives, organization of the report, brief explanation of what to expect in each chapter. Other chapters. The literature review chapter provides detailed review of literature as well as critique pertaining to the subject. Also, gap analysis is provided. The background chapter provides background information WRT the subject. The design and methodology chapter /S provides details pertaining to the methodologies implemented. Also, simulation and /experiments are discussed in detail. The results and analysis chapter discusses results and their analysis in detail. Also, comparison with other published results could be presented. If the research report is only a review report, summary of the same is presented in the summary chapter. If methodology is implemented, the research report includes conclusion chapter, which provides details WRT important conclusions derived from the research work. If not lengthy, the future work could be combined with the conclusion chapter. Future work provides details pertaining to what could be done. References. Complete set of references must be provided. Each item must have been referred to in the report. A style is used. This style varies locally. Each item must be complete, any reader should be able to locate it. Sample references. Paper. Similar to a report in the content, but much shorter in size. Length restricted. No chapters, only sections. Hardly any subsections. Format strictly implemented. Standardized for each journal / conference. No table of contents, list of figures and / tables. Abstract is very small and crisp. Introduction includes background. Literature review is short and presented critically. If not a review paper, methodology implemented is presented in detail. No talk of future work. Referencing style often different. Sample research paper. Slide sets. Purpose of slide set is presentation to an audience. Slide set is based on a report or a paper. Slide set is created specifically for a given audience. Slide set is used as a prop by the speaker. Slide set does not have much independent significance. Slide set is a collection of slides. Slides are presented one at a time. Slide set is accompanied by a commentary by the presenter. While presenting, timing and pace is important. Typically, 1 to 2 minutes per slide. Keeping the audience involved is very important. Slide set is a collection of slides. Slides are presented one at a time. Slide set is accompanied by a commentary by the presenter. While presenting, timing and pace is important. Typically, 1 to 2 minutes per slide. Keeping the audience involved is very important. Present content in the form of dot points involving keywords, no sentence. Combination of figure and text would be a good idea. Good versus bad slide. In spite of all that has been stated above, one should always keep in view the fact report writing is an art which is learned by practice and experience, rather than by mere education. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please do share it and subscribe the channel.